Good morning, Prashant sir. My name is Yashwani Kumar, and I am from Greater Noida. As you assigned me a assignment that contain two to three more assignment over there, a list of assignments. I chosen a login screen with simple validations, including validations over there. So I made it an app called a login page, which includes three pages. First is a home screen and login page and a sign up page. I used a navigation and I made a whole the app in the Jetpack Compose in Kotlin. I programmed the logic in the with Kotlin and UI of the app in the Jetpack Compose. Okay, let me show you what I have made it. The first page, I this is my directory over there. In the login page, I contained three main pages: login, home, and app navigation. App navigation contain the logic of the navigation of the different screens. First is a login, and the second is a sign up, and third one is a home screen. Let me show you the first screen, which is called a home screen essay. In home screen, I made it a composable functions called login screen, and I I define some of the variable email password visible, email error, and the password error. The password error and email error tells us about the error is coming from the for incorrected format of the email and say for the password. If password is empty, there is will be a showing a error. If the email format is incorrect, the email error will show a error or the type of error. It can be something like that. Okay, and the email and password, these are the strings based data entered by the user, we taken as a from the user from with the text field. And made it a simple UI in Jetpack Compose, as you can see, using column, tags, spacer, and some outline text fields, the which are taking the user input uh, as a okay. And first this is the input for the email in the login screen, and in this there are some parameters, value the basically the variable the user entering the email, and own value change when the value user is changing the value. I rewrite the value from it to in. This is a lambda function over there. The lambda functions containing changeable value, and I again and again enter the value from it to the email itself. And the text is a label is error. If the error is coming, this error is containing the boolean value true or false. True or false. When the error is empty, there will be a true value. The error is not coming. Yeah, as I show you, you know. Okay, and I made it a validation for the visible the text selection. The user cannot be select the text. This is the validation of the type. So I implemented in the email section. And this is for the showing the error. If the email error is not empty, there is a something error over there, so that you can I show the error with a red color there. And again for the password field, I same logic over there. And this I made it a password visibility functionality in the password section. By default, the password is not visible to the user. When the user pressed on the eyes button, the password is visible to the user. This is one of the functionality I made it there. I use this ternary condition to get the to change the uh, eye image icon over there. Then similarly, I make the password type from the keyboard as the user enter as a password type using the keyboard options over there. Similarly, I will show the error if the password error is having something. Next, now moving to the another part, I implemented some of the buttons over there. The button is for the login in the app. The button is, as you say, the button is for the login in the app, as you see, login in the app. Okay, before logging in the app, we have to check the valid format of the email and password. If the password is empty, there will be a definitely an error should to be show. And if the email is not empty, and we have to checking another one, the if the password error is empty, the password error is that the password error, yeah, and email error. Email error is that the format of the email the user is entering. If the user entered email format is correct and matches to the email matcher, then it will return false, else true. Else it returning the empty string in the false condition, empty string. If the empty strings over there, we can navigate to the our home screen with the help of a navigation. This simple I made it as I show you the whole the code. I implemented the navigation with the help of nav host navigator, nav controller navigate screen to this going to the sign up screen when user enter on the sign up button, as I will show you in the my app. And talking about the sign up page, this is a similar logic that I have already tell you. You can see the code. If we, this is a simple, and the another one I take it from user is the username, and again I am checking for the username is empty or not, something like that, and including email and password, same logic over there, visibility of the password, and again checking for the user input, uh, user when clicking on the sign up button. So this I made it. You can implement, or you can extend this functionality when you have to be to do after the successful sign up over there. And yeah, this is a simple which I made it the button rounded some modifiers over there. And talking about the navigation section, in navigation section I made a composable functions of name app navigation, app nav. I use navhost to ease of navigation. I pass the nav controller over there, and start destination where the app will start. I started the app from the login screen, and builder. In builder I listed the some of the list of the composable screens like login screen, sign up, and home screen, where to I wish I will to be navigate from where to anywhere. And the another one I made it a sealed class is basically a restricted class from any another class. I cannot extend this sealed class. This is a restricted class, and the class containing the three main objects which extended the itself class from the screen, yeah, of the home object extending the itself class screen, and having a parameter of routes which which of the type of string, having a home screen, because the navigation is based on the string now. The start destination should be a string type of, so I made it the routes as a string. And I already shown you the sign up page, login screen, app navigation, and in main activity, I just pass the app navigation because the my app is starting from the login screen, and when I get click on the login button, it redirect to the my home screen. When I click on the sign up button, when I click on this sign up button, it navigate me to the sign up, as this you can see sign up routes. When I click on the sign up button, yeah, this is the text based clickable button. So this is the whole code that I made it. Thank you, sir. So
The app I made it with the name of login page, the login page over there. This is the Android app, as you say. Actually, sir, made it many of the apps in a Flutter project, as you can see there. I have a expertise in Flutter, but as you say, to make the app in Android, I made it in Jetpack Compose over there. So this is the app I made it, and this is a simple login screen. First the email validation, as you see. If I added something random string over there, and I just go to the, it will show me a invalid email. And when I enter the correct one, the format is correct, it will login me to the home screen because the validations are correctly filled out. And I also show you the password is not visible in there. When I click on the this icon button, this is visible to me, my password is visible to me. And by again clicking on the icon button, this is invisible to me. Okay. And when I click on the sign up, do you know have a no account sign up, this text, this navigate me to the sign up page over there. And I made it simple validations over there. When I enter the some numbers over there, they cannot be take like that, at the rate I gmail something, it also not taking that because the error is not going .com over there. So the you can see the error is has gone. So this is a simple page I made it. Login to sign up to login, and when I entered in a login, this will be a something that I just entered the home screen. Thank you, sir. Thank you.